Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be talking about promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, for My Lead Gen Secrets, I'm only going to use one account. The reason why that is because most people, when they start My Lead Gen Secrets with the $25 business, they only start with one account, and I want to try to emulate the type of results they will make if they only use one account. And some people may see more than this, some people may see less, but this is the general ideal amount of money you would be making if you only had one account. Alright guys, so let's get started. First, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, links in the description below. You want to follow along, let's go. Alright, so first I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because essentially it's a funnel builder. And it's a very good and lucrative funnel builder without any limitations for only $25 a month. Now, most people know that $25 a month for a funnel builder is usually like the trial error beginner system. You only can do one funnel, so on and so forth. So many limitations to it. This has no limitations at all. In fact, the most popular funnel builder out today is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month. And even that still has limitations on it. Now, if you don't want limitations on it, it costs a full $300 a month, and that's insanity. All right guys, so that's the first reason why I like promoting it. The second reason, I think the reason that most people are interested in promoting the $25 business, like I was personally when I saw this, is this affiliate system. And this affiliate system, 80% recurring commissions, which is absolutely insanity. Now let me tell you how insane 80% recurring commissions is. If I were to see, before I seen this system, before I knew of this system, if I were to see 40% recurring commissions, I think that was insanely good. I would see that as really good. Now, any marketer would tell you 40% recurring commissions is really high. So 80% is just unheard of. All right, guys, so hop on this while people are finding out about this and want to, jump in on this because, hurry, get started, make your money, making your money and get people in. All right guys, so let's get started here. First off, we're going to check our results here. We're going to refresh the page. Look like I didn't get a sale, but we're going to make sure. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale, which is totally okay, totally fine, no problem about it. Sometimes that happens. Like I stated before, the first I'd say strong week at the beginning of the month, I don't really get sales because I don't have no sales in that area. I get all my sales in the middle to the end of the month. I start getting a ton of sales. But anyway guys, we're gonna continue on here. We're gonna move on. Oh, one more thing before I move on. Make sure people refresh the page when they show you results, because it's very easy to change all these numbers around and make it look like something else. When you refresh the page, show real results, so make sure they do that. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube, they'll show a still frame as results, and do not believe them if they don't refresh the page. That's all I want to say there. All right guys, so we're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna go ahead and click down here. We're just gonna pick another email that we already wrote here. But we gonna build money up. Well, we can the money keeps climbing. Let's go with this one. And we're just gonna send this email once again and see what happens. If you want to copy, you just you just pause the video where you need to copy. Boom. I just go down here so you can copy everything. All right. You can copy whatever you want. Pause at any time and copy anything. And that's about it, guys. Now the link you want to use, guys, you want to use this link here. Hold on, let me show you. You get this link right here, all-in-one $25 bid right here. This is the link you want to use here. You just put it in here right there, which is perfectly fine. And, it's pretty easy to post, put a link there. You just click on the link thing and boom, you're done. That's all there is to it. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around time people check them. And also make sure your link works with the preview, because you don't want to send an email that a link that does not work at all. So mine works here, as you can see, and that's about it, guys. And you send an email and you're done. You're done for the morning. That's all you gotta do. Last month I made $600 just doing this, guys. This is insane. So guys, and it's gonna keep growing up, because it's, like I stated before, it's recurring commissions. That means they pay every single month. So you get money, you make money every single month with this system. So it's only gonna grow from here. All right, guys, that's about all there is to it. Like I stated before, the link's in the description. You interested in following along, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.